Chris from Munch and welcome to another fast food vlog. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreate and make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine succulent prawn, garlic, diced tomato, green capsicum, and mozzarella, finished with an aioli drizzle. So let's see what $17.95 gets me, huh? Lovely. Unthawed frozen prawns on a maximally coated glutenous base. Looks like I'm doing overtime on the dunny and the treadmill tonight. Shame I didn't get paid for it. I'd need to for a $17.95 pizza review. But hey, I love prawn and I love pizza. If I can get paid for consuming both, I would. Speaking of wood, today's episode is sponsored by Prawn Hub. Prawn Hub, stuffing meaty, fishy, salty stuff internally and creating jobs for gobs. While you're stuffing your gob, why don't you thoroughly work on the subscribe me button, fond of me bells. Just don't expect me to do the same because I'm emotionally damaged and I hate myself. So start by mixing your dough. Wet stuff is marjoram garlic infused olive oil, yeast and water. Dry stuff is corn flour and plain flour. Chuck them in a bowl and mush them together. Leave sit until it has the same texture as Big Cakey Party's centerpiece. On a lightly powdered surface, caress your ball of dough and smack it with a rolling pin until it's the same desired diameter of 12 inches or 30 centipedes. This one's going to go in the oven to raise, so place some flour on the oven pan and ensure that it's holy. Dough it up. Tomato paste and oregano, mozzarella, capsicum, garlic prawns, diced tomato. Place it in the oven till the dough rises and goes stiffer than an overnight winter frozen wheat-in swarm cock. So add some garlic infused olive oil, some garlic and some mayo and splooge it all over your pizza. Look at that, came in at underpriced at $5.40, which seems a little bit expensive because prawn is expensive if you're stupid enough to pay for it, but we're not. These were garlic midget prawns, which seem like cast members from our Cirque du Soleil, and they were kindly provided by our sponsor today, which was Prawn Hub. Prawn Hub, jobs for gobs. This has been Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Rub.